Meanwhile, Executive Director of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, which manages Riverton City Dump, Audley Gordon, is giving assurances that steps taken to address the constant fires and smoke from the dump have been working. He was addressing the latest Portmore Municipal Corporation meeting.
The smoke that is affecting you for the last 2 years is not the disposal site. God has been good to us, and with improved management, improved vigilance, with new systems at the disposal site, we have not caused any injury to the environment since the 2015 fire.
In the meantime, he says plans are well underway to finally put a stop to the storage of older tires close to the dump.
With regards to tire, is to ultimately have them not come into the disposal site by them being diverted to a facility that will convert them into some processing that they have there, which NEPA has approved already, and is a very, very large private sector company.